We made it safely to New Orleans. We made it safely. The roads are still up and running. A couple of damage from the strong winds.
CNN stands for country's negative news.
As you can see, there's no road closures.
We down here because we supposed to be getting on a cruise ship. I tell you though, on the way to New Orleans, we did see a lot. It showed the awesomeness of God and His power. A whole bunch of tombs. Hopefully, no bodies have floated up.
Yeah, you see the cemetery?
Yeah.
They're like so different than ours. Oops, seafood and grill.
Everybody got shut. I didn't have to these cars in the garage.
All this stuff right here.
Yep, they got the beer, they got the Colt. Welcome to New Orleans. We made it.
All the business.
All right, we can go to a bar.